Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn on how to do analysis on using pie chart in SPSS. So before we do analysis using the pie chart, as always we need to understand what is a pie chart. So a pie chart is a circular graph used to show how each category contributes to our. Each slice represents a proportion or percentage of the total. When do you use pie chart? You use pie chart when you want to display percentage or proportion of categories. Data are categorical like gender, like receive training, yes or no, did not receive training, yes or no, applied fertilizer, yes or no, married or not married, or what we call the single. The category add up to 100% of the total. There are relatively few categories, ideally 3 to 6. Example, distribution of respondent by gender. I've talked about where we have male and female, and then you are going to have the percentage of these two. And then you can do market share of different companies, like for example company A and B. And then we can also have household expenditure by category: food, transport, education, and health. Proportion of farmers growing different crop types, like maybe uh, maize, cassava, beans, and etc. So advantage of using pie chart is it's easy to understand, clearly shows proportion and percentage, effectively for displaying part to all relationships. But it doesn't lack limitation or disadvantage. One is not suitable, not suitable for many categories because you're going to have a very ugly pie chart. Then difficult to compare slices with similar sizes. Does not show trends over time. You just have that figure at that time. So now you understand the meaning of pie chart, when to use, advantage and limitation. Let's proceed, because I've always said that before you do any analysis, uh, make sure that you understand the kind of analysis that you want to do, which test, relationship, association, influence uh, you're going to perform for you to get into your outputs that is going to speak about the goal, speak about the objective of your analysis, or speak about the message that you are sending out there to your audience. Let's get started. For you to do pie chart, you go to graphs and then legacy, dialogues. Legacy dialogues carry the charts, and then you move to the pie chart. We are going to leave it like that, and then we are going to define the slices by gender. Then we're going to click. Yeah, let's wait for the graph to appear. Still processing. I think I've used this software for long. So this is the graph, but even graph is not doing anything. I just see two equal parts which you don't know. So let's double click to activate. So we have double click it to activate. So you can show your labels, and I don't want to do it as count. I want to do it as percentage. So you click percentage, and then I want to drop the count down here. Then I apply, and then I close. Then coming option, I want to give a title. The title, I want to change the font to be Vandana bold, top, big green, and then I apply and I close. So I'm going to write the title, agenda of the respondent. This respondent. I'm done. I'm done. Wait, now I did not apply.